Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can sign up in your Coinme app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Coinme app, and once you open your Coinme app, you will end up in this page where you need to tap on the create free account. You need to type in your mobile phone number as well as fill in all the credentials and type a password for your account. So once you do this, you need to tick in the dialog boxes given below, and then you need to hit the continue button. Once you do so, you will be successfully logged into your account as your account creation on Coinme app has been completed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.